Hello guys, welcome back to the Era of Tech. Today we are starting our new series on Arduino. In this first part, we will explore what is Arduino, the different types of boards, and how it's used in real world applications. An Arduino is a small open source microcontroller based board that allows you to build and control electronic projects. It acts like a tiny computer that can read inputs such as light from sensor, a button press, or temperature, and control outputs like turning on LEDs, running motors, and sending signals. There are some key points to know about an Arduino: hardware and software. A hardware is a physical board that includes a controller, which is the brain, power supply pins, input and output pins, and the communication interface. Also, another one is software, programmed using the Arduino IDE, which is integrated development environment with simplified C+ based language. As I have said, Arduino is a microcontroller board, or a small computer that controls things. It takes input from sensors like light, temperature, and the button press, and it takes decision based on codes, and it gives output to the devices like LEDs, motors, buzzer, relays, etc. Arduino board available in different types. The first is Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is most common for beginner. The second is Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano is small size and it is good for compact projects. Another one is Arduino Mega for IoT inputs. IoT pin. It has the IoT pins and the grid for big projects, and the ESP32 and the ESP8266 is favorable for Wi-Fi and hybrid boards for IoT. So that are the Arduino board types. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me remind you that next time we will have a look on the description of the Arduino board parts, and also we will have a time to do some projects. As you have seen, these Arduino can be used in education, when a teacher teaching codes and electronics, DI projects, red lights, smart plant watering, Robotics also is an application, line for floor robots, robotic arms, and even home automation. In the home automation for controlling lights, fans, and doors, and even IoT and the industry sensor for environment and the automation system. So we'll go through them. So thanks for watching. See you next time.